Incorporating more fruits into your diet can be both enjoyable and beneficial for your health. One of the simplest ways to start is by making small changes to your meals and snacks. Begin your day with a fruit smoothie. Blending a banana, some spinach, and a handful of berries not only adds fiber and vitamins, but also creates a delicious breakfast option. You can also enhance your morning oatmeal or cereal by topping it with fresh fruit, such as sliced apples, peaches, or a sprinkle of berries, which adds natural sweetness and nutrients. Another effective strategy is to keep fresh fruit readily available and visible in your home. Place a bowl of colorful fruits like apples, bananas, or citrus on your kitchen counter or dining table. When you have fruit within easy reach, you're more likely to grab it as a quick snack instead of opting for processed alternatives. Additionally, consider packing fruit in your lunch or as part of your work snacks. A handful of grapes, a small container of mixed berries, or an easy-to-peel mandarin can make healthy snacking convenient and satisfying. Lastly, creatively adding fruits to your meals can transform ordinary dishes into vibrant, nutrient-rich options. Incorporate fruits into salads, such as adding slices of strawberries or segments of oranges to mixed greens. Fruits can also elevate savory dishes. Try adding pineapple to stir-fries or mango salsa to grilled chicken. By exploring different ways to integrate fruits into your diet, you'll not only enjoy a wider variety of flavors, but also reap the countless health benefits that come with a fruit-rich lifestyle. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel if you found this helpful. Thank you.